So, I'm done with finals now. Thank God. Yeah, finals, they were kind of rough. I didn't think the stress would get to me. It didn't really. It just manifested itself in physical pain, which I should probably see a doctor about that. They were quite a pain. It's like the regular exams that you take, except much harder because they're worth about 40% of your grade most of the time. But yeah, right now, as you can see, I'm kind of packing up since I'm leaving for the winter. The way that they set it up for us is we don't have to take everything with us. We just need to fill out a couple of requirements, which I'll show you later. I filled it out over there. But yeah, I leave most of my stuff here. I'm just taking certain things like half my clothing, my computer, gaming system, although I really didn't use it as much as I expected to. Yeah, I want to take this with me, but I don't want to risk breaking it. Anyways, this is what college life is gonna be like. Sign me up, hurry up, start. I want it. Right now, I am on my way to like leadership development program that's offered for members of the student council. And well, I'm the vice president of my student council right now. So I took the opportunity to go. This is gonna be fun. I'm really excited. A bunch of my friends are going, so. The video that you guys saw was from an event called Bonfire that we have here at A&M. It's pretty lit. This is my university. This is A&M.